Hello and welcome to another Scalable software tutorial. In this video, we are going to show you how to export a dataset using our software. The purpose of exporting a dataset is to send the scalable data on your system so that we can emulate the system on our end and we are able to troubleshoot and provide you assistance. When in the software, click on the top left of the screen where it says Scalable in the blue box. After that, hover over the Support option. Then, move the cursor over the option labeled as Export Dataset and click on the button. After clicking the option, a window will pop up showing the most recent datasets created. Click on the most recent dataset based on the time. After choosing the most recent dataset, click on the Export button. This will pop up another window asking you where the dataset file should be saved to. After deciding your save option, name the file and then click Save. After that, the dataset will be created. If you have any issues, please contact the support team. That's all we have for this video. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time.